In this video I continue further north on my way to the tip and take on the Old Tele Track.
Hey, this is Archer River Roadhouse. We're just leaving here this morning, heading to Bramwell Junction. Back to more shit, freaking corrugated sandy roads, I think. Hopefully it all goes well. You gotta love the confidence. Oh, man, fucking block's heavy. Constructing a massive bridge here. Oh, could have come for a swim here yesterday. Should have. The road's starting to get a bit rougher now. It has been pretty smooth.
I camped at Bramwell Junction and got an early start on the Old Tele Track the next morning. After some poor decision making, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Even though I was solo and all loaded up on a road-focused bike, I wasn't going to travel all that way and not at least attempt some of the track.
Okay, I'm going to avoid this one. It's like a massive drop. Hey there, mate.
One thing I didn't realise with my little amount of research I did was just how sandy the track was. It took me a long while to get used to riding the sand again, and the 19-inch front wheel definitely didn't help.
I might have a bit of a look at this first before we tackle it. Oh, that's stand. Yeah, I'm not going through that. Fuck.
After scouting around, there was no other option but to drop into the creek here. I took the left-hand wheel track and then made my way across the creek.
Alright, first river crossing done. I didn't film it because I was fucking shitting bricks. Had to ride down a fucking steep embankment. Oh my god. Got stuck in a couple of massive bog holes, almost drowned the bike. Fucking hell. Coming up this bit here was fairly decent, so it was alright.
You can see here how the angle of the car shows how steep it is and how deep it is at the bottom.
Okay, continue on, fucking hell. Whoa, fucking hell. Maybe turn the ABS off, you fucking idiot. Sandy as shit, man. That's it, just relax. There we go. Oh, you can't. Fucking can't go. Is this the next crossing?
This next crossing is Dulcie Creek. This is where I ran into some trouble. I walked the creek first and there was like a high hump between the wheel tracks across to a sandbar in the middle. The wheel tracks themselves were quite deep. They were well past my knees, almost halfway up my thighs, so the bike wouldn't have gone through there. And I thought to myself, if I can just ride the hump through the middle here across to the sandbar, I should be right. Unfortunately, this is where I second guessed myself halfway across, and I thought, what am I doing? This is stupid. I stopped and thought, nah. I put my foot down. Unfortunately, there's just nothing there. As you can see, the bike's gone under here, and we're in all sorts.
You can't. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, survived that creek crossing, sort of. Eventually got out onto the next one. I drowned the bike, had to pull a plug out, get some water out of it. Eventually got it going, and then I don't know how far the next crossing is.
After dropping and drowning the bike in the creek, it really knocked my confidence, so I decided to stay close to a bunch of four-wheel drivers in case I needed help.
Keep onto it. Oh shit! Fuck, this bike really doesn't handle like a dirt bike. So I've just pushed ahead of the convoy. That way I can get a bit more speed up. Track's pretty cruisy now. It's just nice and flowy. A few bumps and jumps, but pretty good. Quite a flowy little track, really. This morning I was shitting myself about this. It probably made me more nervous than I needed to be. Bottomed out. I'd love a more capable bike. But oh well. This is what it is. Sandy section. Don't throw me into the fucking trees. There we go. Up on it now. It's all good. Fucking corrugated.
The next few crossings were relatively easy. I actually stopped and had a swim at most of them, so I didn't bother filming any of it.
Whoa! Keep on to it. Fuck! That pylon. fam. A couple of rocks.
It was quite dry while I was here, but you can imagine this section would normally be full of water. Okay, here goes nothing. This is Birdie Creek. It's actually quite shallow, but the water was moving quite fast, even though the video doesn't really show it. There were some big holes here, which were hard to see, but we managed to get through okay.
Oh, that was too
I
easy.
ended up camping with these legends that night.
Fuck. Okay, I've reached the bypass for Gunshot. I'm gonna take it. I think I'm out of my depth here. I just rode through like some pretty thick sand. It's kind of like hard going, so I'm hot. Bike's hot. Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna head for the PDR. Been following dingo tracks all morning. When I pulled into camp last night or yesterday, I camped with some people and they said, oh, when they rocked up there was a dingo there. They were nice enough to let me stay with them and fed me. I got to use their Starlink to send a message home. Man, this is sandy as shit. Hope it doesn't stay like this for 27k. Okay, continuing on. I've done about 10k so far of this shit. It's been some hella sand, but and corrugations. Let's get up the middle here. Back onto the corrugations, I think. Here. Poor old battle axe is copping the beating. Get some sections of real deep sand and then you get some respite for about 500 meters And then it's back to deep sand again for a few K. Hold on to it. Whoa, yep. We got him. Fuck. Stay on the wheel tracks. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Thank fuck for that. Okay. I think this is my turn off. Yeah, this way. So I want to get back out on the main road. I think I've bitten off more than I can chew on this bike. Hold on to it. It's fucking... It's getting deep. Back in the deep shit again. Just stay here. Man, this is harder than telegraph track. Put that down so you can't see it fucking me out of it. Okay, back in the sand again. Fuck!
At the end of this track where it meets the PDR, I caught up with some four-wheel drivers that I'd met the day before. They gave me a well-earned drink, which I really needed. After surviving another horror section of the PDR, I made my way into Fruitbat Falls, where I had probably the best swim of my life and washed off a mountain of dust.